I never took a phone on a call. I never, ever, not one time, ever took a phone in on a call. I needed to minimize all distractions so the telephone didn't go in the call with me. I got to the house, parked my car, got out of the truck, and man, you and Carolyn had me for the next couple hours.
Do you think the salesperson that came in before you brought their cell phone in?
Chances are good they did. Chances are good they were late. Chances are good they weren't prepared. Chances are good they didn't look like they need a look. We're just talking about the easy wins. These are the easy things to win that everybody can apply today. You know, a salesperson is going to have some big objections, some big mountains they got to climb over. But there's a bunch of little ones that we don't want to be self-inflicted. And one of those is being distracted. Like I can't show up to you and Carolyn's house and learn about you guys and your needs and explore like Columbus and find pain points and come up with solutions. I can't do that if I'm thinking about somebody else's lead. I can't do that if my phone keeps ringing. I can't do that with the distractions. And so for me, I'm not suggesting that the salespeople that will listen to this podcast do this. I never took a phone on a call. I never, ever, not one time, ever took a phone in on a call.
I wouldn't want the salespeople inside Wrench to follow a living legend. I mean, come on. Did everybody just hear that black swan? Did everybody? That is a black swan moment. That is a moment that is so powerful. I never brought a phone into a sales lead.
Kevin, I never wore a watch on a sales call until I left the field and got in my new role because I was afraid that I would look at the watch and it would kill it. These are little wins. These are little tiny things that salespeople can do wrong. You are a California dude. You seem like an Apple Watch wearing kind of fella to me.
No way.
But both of my kids and my dad both wear these Apple Watches. It's like, it's just constant. And it's distracting to me. So I'm just telling you how I did it. I needed to minimize all distractions so the telephone didn't go in the call with me. It did not. The watch didn't have one. I didn't own one, right? Absolutely. I got to the house, parked my car, got out of the truck, and man, you and Carolyn had me for the next couple hours. No distractions. There's nothing that can't wait that I may need to deal with. Nothing that can't wait.
Okay. We could pretty much close the podcast right now. Right? And I'm watching Andrew Zaragoza, who is our producer behind the mic, who I've asked today actually to be the voice of the people. So Andrew, I see you laughing. I see you enjoying yourself.
I'm hoping everyone's taking notes. And if you're in your truck driving to a job right now, I mean, just please go back and listen to what we've already heard. We have two living legends on today's podcast, and I'm sitting back here just blown away by just that black swan moment just now, because I'm guilty of it, because I am from that generation that has my phone on me all the time. And it's like, Alan just literally, luckily I have a bulletproof vest on, but he literally just emptied a clip and said, hey, you got to do better. And so that was a huge wake up call for me personally. But yeah, that was incredible.
Andrew, I was in the field till 2017, and certainly I spend way too much time on the iPhone. I'm guilty as charged. But I'm holding up a camera.
That's cool.
This is a Sony, probably last of the Mohicans, digital camera with the big screen, and it has an SD card in it. And I learned that if I took my pictures on this and I made my videos on this, and then I took the SD card and stuck it in my iPad, I could present. Like, I know that today, I gotta have my phone because I gotta take my pictures. I found a way around that. I was not going to allow a distraction to show up at that sales call with me, mentally or physically. So that's the way I did it. I'm not suggesting. I don't even know if you can buy these anymore.
What do you mean you're not suggesting?
Suggest.
What do you mean you're not? Please suggest. Please demand. Hey, we're looking to improve people's close ratio improve people's income by 10 percentage points.
So then you got to not be distracted. They've got to go away.
So
Minimize distractions.
what I'm hearing you say, and I love this analogy, when it comes to connecting with a client, there's high tech, there's low tech, and then there's no tech. What I'm hearing is no tech, just authentic communication, authentic love, sincerity. Whew. That's a lot right there, Alan. That's a lot right there.
That's amazing. And for the record, they do still sell those point and shoot cameras. So if anybody was listening on the audio and they couldn't see, he held up a simple Sony point and shoot camera. They're the ones that were like very compact and they have kind of like all in one thing. Sony sells them. Panasonic has the Lumix. Canon still has the G7. They're still out there. And by the way, for just everybody, when it comes to like printing stuff out and actually doing something with your photos, you will almost never do anything with them on your phone. But when you have an SD card that you can slide into like Alan just said, you can slide into an iPad, you can show them off. You can actually do something with it. You can make prints. All this stuff, because of kind of taking a step back in technology, is it again, and another really good reason you're not going to get notifications on a point and shoot camera. You're going to get business done, and your clients are going to then see, okay, this guy literally is only focused on me. He's not sneaking in a text message while he's taking these pictures. It's just me right now. That is so freaking powerful.
And Alan, do you think the salesperson that came in before you, if we're talking about another competitor, brought their cell phone in?
Chances are good they did. Chances are good they were late. Chances are good they weren't prepared. Chances are good they didn't look like they need to look. We're just talking about the easy wins. These are the easy things to win that everybody can apply today.